We are looking for 8 people to participate in our intense parent workshop and focus group. This application is to express interest in participating in our new test run, our parent workshop, We the Defenders, which will help parents reduce the risk of their own children online. Once we have a cohort chosen, we will be scheduling the days and the times. It'll likely be during evenings and weeknights depending on everybody's availability. To participate, you must at least be 18 years or older, at least have 1 child. You must also have consistent access to internet during these sessions. You also have to have a quiet place that you can participate in these sessions. You also be able to understand and speak English. You also need to have good communication skills so that you can provide helpful feedback of your experience on the workshops. And you must be available during the evenings, Eastern time / New York City time. Thank you so much for your interest, and we will be in contact to let you know if you have been chosen to participate. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to email us. Email is at info@helpusdefend.com.